Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made a pasta dish. It's the corkscrew pasta with some pesto and olive oil and then some mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and some shrimp. And I put a little Parmesan cheese on top, and this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight I made some homemade turkey feta garlic burgers, some sauteed zucchini like coin shapes, some homemade potato wedges, and I put the turkey burger on a brioche bun, lettuce, tomato, and ranch dressing. And how is it?
Awesome.
Good. This is what it looks like, and this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made some of these little dumplings. These are pork dumplings with cabbage in them. I forget the brand. Is it Pagoda, I think? It's like a really popular Asian brand that you can get in a lot of different grocery stores, but I just pan fry them in like the tiniest bit of canola oil, a little bit of water to kind of steam fry them. We have some pineapple that we're using up, so fresh pineapple, some dumplings, and then some of this Thai cold noodle salad. It has soybeans in it. This is from the fresh market, and then we have some peanut dipping sauce and then some sweet and sour dipping sauce for our dumplings, and this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight we're having a pork roast. This is a pork shoulder roast. I got it at BJ's a while back, and I like to do it so the starting temperature is really high and it gets like this nice crust on it. So I made the pork. It was like a 3-pound roast. Some baked potatoes. There's more baked potatoes over here. And then some sauteed cabbage. I actually get the coleslaw mixed cabbage from Walmart all the time. It's like a little hack of mine. And just saute it up in a little bit of olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper. It's really good and simple and super cheap, and it already is all shredded, so it's perfect. And this is our dinner tonight. I also made enough leftover cabbage and potatoes, and the roast is really big, so we can have it tomorrow for lunch as well. But this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight we're having the breakfast for dinner like we do every week. I made like an egg scramble with potatoes, cheese, ham, and some onion. I have a couple cuties here peeled, and then one of these cheesy like popover rolls from the fresh market, and that's all like crusty cheddar cheese because I toasted these so they're nice and crispy. And this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight we're having some Trader Joe's. This is the tempura chicken. It has like a sweet and sour sauce. I baked the chicken. You can also deep fry it, but I baked it and then put the sauce on. I actually used some ramen type noodles as the base rather than rice, just because I wanted a change. There's no broth or anything. It's just like ramen style noodles that were cooked in a little chicken broth and then drained. And then some of the Trader Joe's like Asian vegetables. So this is my plate. Matt's plate, he has a little bit more meat and noodles and less veggies, and I go a little bit heavier on the veggies. And then Grady's gonna have this as well, but he does not like sesame seeds or veggies. So this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made a huge dinner salad, which we do every so often. This is just some organic spring mix. There is a good amount because again, this is like a dinner salad. And then on top I put some red peppers, some tomatoes, some onion, some Persian cucumber, some corn, some avocado, some cilantro lime shrimp from Costco, and we have corn muffins, which I thought would go really well. I'm actually going to cut mine all up and eat it like in forkfuls with the salad. And then I am having this, it's an avocado, cilantro, lime, I don't know why my camera's being weird right now, dressing. It's by Planet Organics, which is an amazing salad dressing. And I actually have a discount code, like a permanent code from them, so I'll link that down below. They have all different flavors. So I'm gonna have this, and then Matt's having the same thing, but he is just having ranch on his. So same exact salad as mine with ranch, and we're having, again, the corn muffins with a little bit of butter on them. And this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight we're having our weekly breakfast for dinner. I made some of the hole in the breads, or some people call them eggs in a basket. I've also heard them called bird's nest, but it's pretty much just 2 pieces of toast that you put an egg in the middle, and then when you poke the center part, it is yolky, and you kind of cut around and dip your bread in the yolk. And we have some bacon. This is the Trader Joe's brand bacon. A couple cutie oranges. We have 2 each. And these are just the middle pieces from where the egg is. We're gonna have some coffee, and this is our dinner tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed this dinner compilation and it gave you some new ideas for your own dinners, and we will see you guys in the next one.